Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your cover photo in Facebook. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, you have to open the Facebook app. Here you can see that I already have opened it. Now click on the horizontal bar on the top right corner and choose your profile. And here you will see an interface like this. Normally, you have to click on this camera icon to change your cover photo and choose upload photo. And now choose the cover photo that you want to save as your cover photo. I'm choosing this one. And finally, click on this save button. And here you can see that the cover photo is uploading right now. Just wait a few seconds until it's completely uploaded. So that's all. We have successfully uploaded our cover photo in Facebook. Thanks for watching.